This is a bear, a big brown bear. He lives in the mountains, he likes to eat fish. Bear, bear, hello, bear. This is a tiger, a big orange tiger. He lives in the jungle, he likes to run fast. Tiger, tiger, hello, tiger. This is a monkey, a funny little monkey. He lives in the jungle, he likes to climb trees. Monkey, monkey, hello, monkey. This is a zebra, a black and white zebra. He lives on the savanna, he likes to run and play. Zebra, zebra, hello, zebra. This is a giraffe, a tall yellow giraffe. He lives on the savanna, he likes to eat leaves. Giraffe, giraffe, hello, giraffe. This is an elephant, a big gray elephant. He lives on the savanna, he likes to splash in water. Elephant, elephant, hello, elephant. This is a lion, a strong golden lion. He lives on the savanna, he likes to roar loud. Lion, lion, hello, lion. This is a crocodile, a long green crocodile. He lives in the river, he likes to swim all day. Crocodile, crocodile, hello, crocodile. Animal friends, come and see. Bear, tiger, monkey. 1,